Alright, this is going to be a short and sweet note video today. So your warm-up, what does it mean for two objects to be similar? So that's what we started talking about yesterday. So the first problem is very similar to what we did yesterday. It says an engineer wants to make a bridge across a river at PR. So PR is right here. He wants to make a bridge across the river, and you can't see it in your picture, but there is actually a river here. Okay. SP and TR straight lines and a triangle RPQ is similar to triangle TSQ. Find the width of the river. Okay, so if you notice here, this is the longer side, which would go to the longer side of this triangle. This is the shorter side. So this is also the shorter side. So basically, if you can't see that, what you can do is, and you kind of want to look at this angle here too. I would redraw the triangle. So here's my big triangle. QRP, and that's the 90-degree angle. This is 48 and X. I didn't really change that triangle. This one I'm going to turn this way. Okay, so it's going to be QTS now. Okay, so TS is actually 8 feet and this one's 12 feet. And then it's a little easier to see that 48 goes with 12 and 8 goes with X. And again, I'm going to set up to solve, right? And I can use my proportions. So I'm going to say 48 goes over 12 here, which is going to equal X over 8. Okay. 48 divided by 12 is 4, so I get 4 equals X over 8. Multiply both sides by 8, and I get X equals 32. Or if you like better, you can do the butterfly method. You do 48 times 8 equals 12X, then divide it by 12. Both would be appropriate answers, okay? So X is 32 feet. It's always good to have a unit. Okay? And just so you kind of know, we'll do a worksheet on this again later, so this is good information. To prove that two triangles are similar, just like we had to prove two triangles were congruent, these are the three things you can use. You can have angle-angle, which means two of the angles in the triangle are congruent. So if I had like a triangle like this, and a triangle like this, and this one was 30-60, and this one was 30-60, then I could prove that these triangles were similar by AA. Okay. You can have side, 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 which just means all three sides are in proportion. Now in the congruency, they have to be congruent, but here they just have to be in proportion, which is what we did a lot of yesterday. And then there's also side, angle, side. So you can have two sides that are in proportion to each other and one angle. So like if I have this triangle, if I said that this side and that side were in proportion to each other and this angle was congruent, then the triangles would be similar. And I don't think I talked to you guys about this yesterday in this video, but when you want to say two triangles are similar, like triangle ABC is similar, you just do this little squiggle. It's like the congruent sign without the equals part, congruent to DEF, okay? So that's how you show that something is similar, is with that little squiggle line, okay? And just a note, this will be helpful in one of your homework problems. Slope is just another way of putting scale factor. So if I say a ramp is 4 feet long, how tall is it? If it has a slope of 1/3, you would just do 4 times 1/3. Okay, and that would just be 4/3. So the height would be 4/3. Okay, your homework is page 142, number 10, 12, 13, 16, and 18. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.